Here is a guide to show you how you can use InShot app on your iPhone and export videos for free without any watermark. Install and open the InShot app on your iPhone and then go to Video. Tap on New to create a new video. If you're using it for the first time, you will have to give it access to your photo gallery or your camera roll. After that, you will be able to access all the videos from your camera roll. Browse and select the video that you want to use. If you want to add music to it, you can tap on Music. Select the music from the list of albums available inside the InShot. You can also extract audio from an existing video. I'm going to use one of the music listed. I use this for the purpose of this video, and once I am done with my video, I will tap on check mark icon and you can see there is InShot watermark on the bottom right hand side and there is a cross on that, so I'll carefully tap on the cross and it will give me two options. One would be to upgrade to InShot Pro. There are monthly and yearly plans and there is a lifetime plan as well. But if you don't want to spend money on it, you can use the free remove option, in which you will have to watch an ad. Or maybe 2 ads for 30 seconds. Timer is on the top left hand side, and once the 30 seconds are over you will be able to tap on the cross, which will remove the watermark, and you will easily be able to export that video without any watermark. I will tap on the cross icon on top left and now you can see that the logo has disappeared. I can tap on share icon on top right hand side, select full HD resolution, estimated size is 43.2 megabytes. I will tap on save and this will save the video. I will go to my photo gallery where I can see my video. And this is how you can create videos in the InShot app, without any watermark. I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more.